Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a top 5 tweaks video since I haven't done one in a while. So with that being said, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so first off, as usual, let's go ahead and smash up to 15 likes on this video. I'm going to go ahead and bring back the series since I've done a whole bunch of more jailbreak news videos recently. So let's go ahead and smash up to 15 likes and let's make that gray button into blue. And also don't forget to comment something down below for a chance to get pinned. So the first tweak I'm going to be showing you guys is called OpenNotifier by a developer by Tattoo. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but for some reason his specific repo I was unable to get it working, but I did have it working with the Hack Your iPhone repo. And I know I try not to promote a lot of pirated tweaks, but this repo for some reason makes this tweak work for me. So let me go ahead and show you guys my iDevice right now. So as you guys can see on the top where my status bar is at, you guys can see that I do have a messages, Twitter, text message, as well as a Snapchat notification. So if you guys are unaware, this is something that Android users have that displays the notification for a specific app on their status bar. Now with this tweak OpenNotifier, let me go and show you guys the settings to it. So actually let me go down and let me see, OpenNotifier is right here. OpenNotifier 10. So from here, as you guys can see, there are some stuff that you guys can go ahead and choose and to see which icon you want always on the status bar. Now if you guys want, you guys can go ahead and go into the applications window, and then you guys will see a list of all your guys' applications that you have on your iDevice. And then so for example, if you wanted to have a phone call, you guys can go ahead and click that into the settings preferences, and then you guys will see a list of icons that you can go ahead and change and customize to what you guys want on the status bar. I actually installed a pack that I completely forgot what it is, but I'll go ahead and edit the pack inside of the Hack Your iPhone repo for all those types of icons that you guys can see on my screen. So with that brings me to the second application that I wanted to show you guys. Is called Movable 9, which also works for iOS 10. So basically this has the same exact kind of preferences inside of settings. So as you guys can see, inside of sort order, you guys can actually change which and where you want specific icons to be. So for example, on my right hand side, you guys can see on the top right, I have my battery percentage that is hidden, but it just has the battery percentage number already on. And on the far right hand corner, then I have the time, location, services, and then my alarms. So that's completely all customizable. So as you guys can see on the right hand side, I have battery percentage, time, location, and activity. And then I also have what's hidden is spacers, and then carrier and the battery icon as well. Now these are all also default right here. You guys can actually mix and match and change it if you guys want. You guys do not need to have OpenNotifier in order to use this application. If you guys do not want the specific icons in the top to show you guys which applications have a notification in it, you guys can just download Movable 9, and then you guys can just customize the status bar to where you guys want specific icons to be located at. So that's pretty much it for Movable 9. Really recommend it for you guys if you guys want to customize your guys' status bar. Alright, so the next tweak I'm going to be showing you is regarding the vibration on your iDevice. So I really can't show you guys, but basically it is called I Got a Feeling by the Laughing Qual. He is a awesome known developer inside of the jailbreak community, and basically what this tweak does, it's very small. So for example, inside of my settings, if you want to go ahead and turn on your VPN, for example, it does have a little vibration that indicates that you are turning it on and switching it on. Now this is not on a repo, but it's a direct download to a deb. So go ahead and click on the link inside of the description, and then it'll redirect you into the Dropbox, and then from there you guys can go ahead and install the deb file. If you guys did not know that, stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you guys a quick tutorial on how to install the deb from your iDevice. So that's pretty much it for I Got a Feeling. Okay, so the next tweak is basically regarding iOS 11. So if you guys noticed that the new iOS 11 notification center looks basically just like the lock screen. And if I swipe down right here, you guys can see it does show my lock screen, and basically I don't have any notifications right now. But if I did, it would show up right here inside of the notification field. Now you guys can go ahead and swipe left or right again, and then it'll basically look just like iOS 11's notification center. And again, this tweak is called Notification Center XI or 11, and it is a paid tweak on Cydia. Now the last and final tweak I wanted to show you guys is called boulders, which basically on iOS 11, if you open up a folder, everything looks pretty big, and as you guys can see inside of my When You Lonely folder, I do have it looking like iOS 11, where it basically takes up the whole entire screen. It has the bold font on top of it, and then from there the only way to go back is to click the home button, and then you guys will be back. But that's pretty much it. It's a very simple tweak for your iDevice running this particular version. Alright, so this is the ending tutorial on how to install the Deb straight from your iDevice. So first off, on Cydia you guys must have either iFile or Fileza. Go ahead and grab one of those two file tweaks inside of Cydia first off, and then go ahead and head over to the link inside of the description. Now if you guys click on it, you guys will see it looks something like this. The first thing you guys want to do is you want to get out of this page, and you want to click on the bottom right hand corner to bring it into the actual Safari app. Now once you guys are here, it'll reload itself into the Dropbox web page. Then click on the top right where it has the little down arrow, click it, and then do direct download right here, and then wait for it to load up. And since I have iFile, I'm gonna go ahead and click open in iFile. Now wait for it to load up. It'll launch up iFile, and then it'll say zip viewer, unarchiver, or installer. You want to go ahead and click installer, and when you guys click on that, it will go ahead and install it on your iDevice, and then it'll install correctly if it says finish with result code :0. Now from there you guys can go ahead and press done, and then you guys can go ahead and just respring your iDevice, and then the tweak should be working automatically. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like these types of videos, go ahead and leave a like down below. Like I said, let's go ahead and smash up to 15 likes on this video. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel to get a lot more top tweaks for iOS jailbreaks and future jailbreaks as well. Also, don't forget to snapshot this outro to add me on Snapchat, and don't forget to also follow me on my Twitter page and my Facebook page to be informed on anything inside of the jailbreak world. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. This is EliteAppleHacks signing out.